everyone, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, then welcome and thank you so much for coming. Today's video, I will be making this pincushion hat. I saw this on Pinterest and I find it really cute, so I decided to make one for me and at the same time share with you all, because this channel is about sharing. So now let's begin. To make this pincushion hat, you'll need a disc or this disc protection like mine, a lid, a pair of scissors, a thread and a needle, a fabric of your choice and a marker, a glue, and this is stuffing as well. You can use whatever you have. Now let's begin this project. I already cut my fabric and it should look like this. I used a serger for this, but it is optional. If you don't have a serger, then it's okay. Now let's begin sewing. I think this stitch that I'm doing is called running stitch. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yes, do this all the way around. By the way, this is really important to hand stitch it exactly like this. This is the reason why it is really important to use the running stitch, so you can easily pull the thread. Keep pulling until you get the desired result. Once you are happy with it, then secure everything in place. Honestly, if I didn't use a serger, my fabric will rip off because I keep on pulling this like crazy. Voila guys, we are almost done. Now guys, once you are happy with the result, you can glue them all together to secure everything in place. And you're done! You can design this however you like. And this is the final result. I just made it really simple. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you do, please do not forget to like, to comment down below if you have any questions, and to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.